Hey, somebody tell Jack Frost, stop playing. We're in Florida, man. Is it just me, or does the sweet sound of a S197 3-valve cam engine just... If you listen closely, now you have to listen closely, you can actually hear the women and children screaming in the village as the dragon is getting closer. Close? At least I do. If you don't, you might want to get your ears checked, or if it's been a while... Oh, this is the best part. So yeah, I have to finish up this engine bay so I can turn that key and hear that sweet sound. No, not the ding ding, silly, the cams. I mean, Mom, it's in the title. And they use the ding ding sound effect, knowing I'm talking about cams. Okay, Mom. 1, 2... Okay, Mom, I gotta go. Okay, so as you can clearly see from the title, how about them cams, baby? Ain't they special? I want to thank the person that invented that lope, as I speak for all Mustang lovers across the nation. Thank you. I believe that lope is my favorite part of a Mustang build. Just hearing it is like... So currently I'm using that as motivation to get me through, keeping me moving and falling forward, baby. Last vlog, I installed the bit body throttle body, getting me one step closer to hearing that sweet sound. In this vlog, I'll be installing a vital part of Ghost's puzzle, and I'll be focusing on the small things, like reluming the main interior wiring harness and getting the computer back in there, plus the fuse box, and making sure all the connections are made to the various components of the engine bay. All of this old brittle wiring loom has to go. And I will be replacing it with Power Braid Performance wiring wrap from Palin's Performance to give it more of a cleaner look that will last the life of Ghost. This wiring harness leads to the computer box while I've spliced into it for the electrical steering swap. Time to get all this cleaned up for more of a factory look. See, look at that. Now that's better. Now that the wiring harness is all loomed, time to get the computer and fuse box back in, which it may look a little different than yours because I sprayed the computer and had the bracket for it powder coated. Anybody willing to have lunch in the engine bay? Just let me know in the comments down below. Now for that vital install. The JLT cold air intake. It still baffles me how the most budget-friendly cold air intake is also the best. So now Ghost time has come to open up that blood flow. Nothing fancy with this install, nothing too special at all, but the gains are huge. I haven't yet chose a mass airflow sensor to accompany the intake, but if you have any suggestions, Speak your piece in the comments below. I love to hear from you. I ain't gonna lie, I'm starting to smell exhaust fumes. I mean, I'm that much closer to a crank up. Homework, I'll be posting a very sensitive debate on Instagram about cranking up a 3V with just long 2 pedals. Should I wait, or should I just complete the exhaust before I crank up Ghost? If you wanna be a part of this epic build all done in the driveway, hit that subscribe button and stay in the know. Until next time, people, peace. Nate Ryder. Yeah, I just finished recording. Yeah, I'm gonna tell him the secret on the next vlog. Of course I'm gonna tag you.